What's up, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I rushed right up here after lunch. My braids are a little crazy looking because I had wet hair and just threw them up because I was too excited. I bought a bag of mystery yarn and I've been so excited for this to come. I can't wait. I thought I would open it with you guys and kind of have like a mystery unbagging, so to speak. I've obviously known like you can thrift pretty much anything. I know some people get yarn secondhand at the thrift store. I'm sort of jealous of those people. I've never ever seen yarn at a thrift store, I don't think. But I was watching a Made in the Moment video the other day and Emma was talking about going to like eBay for used yarn, and I had never thought of that, so I did. I didn't look for a long time because I've never done anything like this before. I am a little nervous. I don't know if this is exciting if you need to see the action, but I knew I didn't want to spend very much, like just in case this completely blows, but it doesn't on first sighting. Okay, let me talk and then we'll look so it's more dramatic. But I think in total with taxes and shipping, this was about, here maybe I can do this so you can see a little better. This was like $27, I think. I narrowed it down between this and one other listing that were for like mystery bundles. This person, I think you could pick between a bunch of different colored bundles initially, but they were all sold out except for the mystery one, which is actually what I wanted. But they had really good like customer satisfaction reviews, so I decided just to go for it. This one has 8 skeins. The other one I looked at, or 8 cakes, whatever, balls, not full skeins. The other one had 10, I think, but this one was, they were about the same price, and this one was, I think, a full pound, whereas the other one was only like 14 ounces or something. So let's take a look. Okay, the first one I saw, it is like in, it looks like it was an ombre color at some point. It's like a couple different shades of brown and then a little bit of like purple in the middle. Ooh, this blue is pretty. It's another one that's kind of multicolored. Got this navy that is, these are all acrylic, but this one is a little bit different texture. I feel like some of these look slightly familiar. Like I might, this one I'm not sure. This one kind of reminds me of like Red Heart, the texture of like Red Heart yarns. This one looks like it was maybe part of this. Like this is the purple that's in the middle here. We got a little scrap piece on the side. I actually also, I picked this one partially too. I think the other one was yarn balls, but I finally, after multiple decades of doing fiber arts, just put in an order for a yarn winder. So I kind of wanted to see what it's like working with these because I've never done that. And I actually really like making yarn balls, but when they get like this size, it gets really hard on your hands. And so I found one that like had decent reviews that is pretty cheap online. It is a hand crank one, but I'm finally gonna try that out. This one, I think, this color looks really similar to some of, I think Red Heart makes one that's this color. It's a nice kind of like leafy green color. Ooh, we have our first like true rainbow one. That is bright. Oh my god, look at that red. That is wild. That is like fluorescent rainbow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 left. Oh, this one's kind of cool. And oh, this this is cute. I love this mint color, and then it's got like little white like flecks wrapped around it. Oh, and then the start of a granny square was at the bottom. Okay. I also, I want to, not that I don't know how, but I have not really experimented much with washing yarn. These did say they were from like a pet and smoke-free home, and they don't like smell weird or anything, but I will probably kind of like figure out how to do that. But so this, I'm actually like really happy with this. I figured it was okay to take the gamble. Like I said, it didn't cost very much, but I also have a project that I'm freehanding is like an understatement, but it's kind of like a more, I'm calling it a tapestry, but I don't know if that's what I want to. It's a fine arts project. It's like, it's not traditional crafting in any sense. I don't really know how to explain it, so I'm just not gonna continue to try. But I need a bunch of different colors. It doesn't really matter if I like them or not. So I was kind of like, well, if any of these are like ugly or something, then it doesn't really matter. But I like all of these. Some of these colors I probably wouldn't pick to work with, but I mean, this is a decent amount. It said that it was like a pound of yarn worth, so lots of different colors. This was a very fun experience. I'm excited to kind of work some of these up and see what I can make with them. I thought just for fun, while we're here, I would also share with you a little Joann haul featuring my button tote bag. There's a video tutorial for this up, which I just finished filming yesterday as of making this video, and I thought I would test it out today, and it worked out really perfect. And the guy that worked the register told me that he liked it. This is so like me at craft stores. That's the receipt, we don't need that, but I'm sure I'm not the only one. You go in for one thing and you come out with $40 worth of stuff, but it was probably like one or two things that I actually went for. I have a sewing project that what I actually went in for is for a zipper and some thread. And then the notions were on sale for buy 3 get 2 free. So that happened. I actually needed, I decided I needed for my project a strap and like little hooks for it. I'm making like a yarn carrying case, like a project bag, but a little one. Like I have this ball of yarn out because I want it to just be small enough that like this ball of yarn fits in it and I can carry it around, because I have like tote bags and stuff, but when you look at project bags online, they're huge. Like I want something little that I can carry, so I decided to make one. And then I got a new one of, what are these even called? A seam gauge. The one I have my mom gave to me, but like this part is like super loose, so it's not even really helpful, and it's very small. So I got a new one of those. And then I just got some like random hardware. If you haven't seen any of my like sewing or making clothing videos, I always say that I love hardware for no reason on things, and so I just was like, if they're gonna be free, like, yes, I will take some hardware that I can put on things for no reason. Then this Big Twist party yarn was on sale for like $2.99. I have no idea what I'm gonna do with this, but it's adorable, so I bought it. Then I spent way too, well, was this on sale? I think it was. I thought this was wild. I've never seen this before. It's glow in the dark yarn. This little baby skein is originally like $7, which is crazy to me. I think it was on sale for $5, but I really want to try it out. So let me know if you've made anything with these, if it really like works that well. it's been in a bag all day, so I doubt it's like charged up or anything, but yeah, I'm very curious to see what happens with this. All right, so that was my little mystery unboxing craft store haul. I just thought I would share. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more from me, feel free to subscribe. I post videos 2 to 3 times a month. I should have waited. I just did like a yarn organization video. I should have waited so I could include all of this, but that's okay. Thank you so much for watching this one, and I'll see you next time.